In this video, we are going to see how we can turn on or turn off the push notifications, that is the pop-up notifications that you get whenever you use the Facebook desktop version or let's say a mobile app. Here's how you can make the settings to enable or disable it. All you have to do is just click on the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon and head over to settings and privacy and click on the settings. And on the preferences, we see this option of notifications. We want to click here. And if we scroll down a little bit, it says where you receive notifications. Basically, this option comes right at the bottom. Where you receive notifications, select browser and push notifications. If you want to turn that off, you just toggle that off from here. It will refresh and make the settings for you and simply enable it if you want to enable it for the specific browser that you are using. And that is all you have to do. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.